Hey there, Treviso Bay fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing our newest listing here in Avellino. It's Unit 2215, part of the Veranda condos here at Treviso Bay. This particular one is being offered turnkey furnished. It does not come with a golf membership, comes with a social membership, and it's the Bromelia floor plan, so you're going to have 2 bedrooms plus a den, over 1,300 square foot, front and back lanai. So here we are in the front lanai here. Nice little lounging space, and you do have the sliders that lead into the kitchen area from the front lanai. And as we walk into the front door to the right is the guest bedroom. With a queen size bed. Then we have the guest bath here. So you have your single sink and your combination tub and shower. Right here in the hallway is where you have your full-size washer and dryer here, with additional shelving above for storage. Now directly across from the guest bedroom is the kitchen. So we've got the nice eating kitchen area here. You've got 2 pantries here. And then your kitchen, you have a full stainless appliance package, granite countertops, wood cabinets, and this all overlooks your living room space here. Now let's bounce out of the kitchen, and we're gonna pop off to the right here where you have the den. Nice size room here. That couch is a pull-out couch with a queen size bed on it. And you also do have the pocketing sliding doors here for privacy. Now just on the other side is your great room and living space. Notice you do have some additional dining features. You have the bar here where you can put some additional seating, and it is capped for a dining fixture here where you can put a dining table. These folks opted for a larger great room space, making it feel a lot more airy and open. Now over here across from the dining area, you have a dry bar space. And this overlooks your views here, which we'll get to here in a moment. But last but not least, on the inside here, we have the master suite with a queen size bed there. You've got his and hers closets. And then you've got the master bath here with the dual sinks, your commode, and then a standalone shower. Now, last but not least, let's take a look at the views from this home here. So you've got a really nice lake view from your lanai. Notice you have the brick paver flooring here, but you've got a really nice lake view with the palm trees here at Treviso Bay. All right, folks, so if you're interested in this home, you can give us a call at any of the numbers below. This is Roberto with Pinnacle Property, and we appreciate you watching.